and welcome back to the Spoony Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoony Stitcher. This is the Stitchery, and I'm so glad that you could join me today, because today is very exciting. We have a box from Furls Fiberarts. Not sponsored, not affiliated. I bought this all with my own money, just because. They had some new streamlines that I really wanted to try out. Some of them were limited edition, so I knew that once they're gone, and I felt like, yeah, now's the time. So I did pre-cut it open just to save some time, but I have not actually looked inside, so let's do that together, shall we? Here we go. There they are. Oh. If you hit a certain dollar amount, did you know you actually are qualified for some freebies? So I hit a very high dollar amount, so I was eligible for 2. I got the tan clutch and the little individual leather holder. I've never had one of these before, so I'm very excited. Whoop. Wow. This is really nice leather. Oh, I love that. Look at the pretty engraving. Nice metal clasp. Opens like a pretty clutch. Okay, so if I remember, you pull this out. Yeah, so you pull it out and your hooks go inside, and then you tuck it back inside and close it up to travel with. Isn't that cool? I've never had one before. It's pretty cool. I'm excited to try it out. And I love that they have the styrofoam, or not styrofoam, whatever this stuff is called, inside, so that it protects the individual holders. That's pretty cool. Awesome. So that's that one. So that's the clutch. Look at that. It's really nicely made. How gorgeous is that? That's a pretty color too. That'd be nice as like an everyday clutch. And then the individual holder. It's pretty cool. It's for one hook, whereas the clutch is for multiple. So look at that. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And again, we have the little engraving here. And they made sure to protect the holder. So pretty. I like this. This is pretty. What fun. Okay. Now let's get into the hooks. So we have 2 little packages here with multiple hooks inside. And yep, that's it. Okay. Everything is inside here. So excited. I've heard they have new boxes, so I'm very excited for that. You guys. Okay, I don't know if my light is going to pick this up well or not, but I'm hoping it does. You see, I'm going to shine it right at my face, so I apologize for the ring light in my eyes. But you've got to see the shimmer. Look. The gold foiling. What? Yes. Thank you, Furls. This is gorgeous. Love this. Okay, so if you don't know, the Furls Streamline come in boxes that are not marked. So you don't know which size is. If you ordered multiple hooks, you get to be surprised. Which I kind of love. That's pretty fun. First one. Ooh. That's beautiful. Can you see the glitter? I hope you can. I'm trying to turn it slowly so you can see. I believe this is the Aquarius, one of their Zodiac hooks. Oh, there's so much glitter. I love it. I love it. I have a project I'm working on with a 6.5 right now, and I think I'm going to switch out hooks because this is too pretty. It looks like water, which makes sense, but it really does look like water. Look at that. It's like a small little tidal pool right there. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the box. And then set it to the side so I don't pick up the same one. Okay, next one. Sometimes I struggle with the tabs, but that's just me. Okay, this is one of their wooden ones. This is their limited edition. Oh no, I don't know which one this is. I think this is Cruella. Yes, this is the Cruella. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sorry, I'm turning it too fast. Oh, that is so pretty. And it's so smooth. There's no catches. This is really, really nice. And I got mine in a J hook or a 6mm. Gorgeous. So happy. So happy. Beautiful. Beautiful craftsmanship. Just lovely. Okay, next. Let's play a game. Can Shannon open this without tearing the tabs? Oh, here's another one. This is the Carousel. This is the special edition Streamline wood. This is Carousel because it looks like a carousel pole. So pretty. Look at that, like caramel wood. So gorgeous. And again, super smooth. Really smooth. Wow. And I love the engraving. I just love that. It's so beautiful. So gorgeous. Look at the head too. It's like pointy, but not too pointy. That's great. Package number 2. Oh, so gorgeous. Again, the gold foiling and this beautiful like sagey color. Just, they really stepped it up. This is gorgeous. Okay. So. Ooh. This is Sagittarius. Can you see the colorful sparkles? With like hints of yellow and then rainbow glitter. Beautiful. Can you see all the glitter? Look at that. Oh. I got mine in an M, which is an 8mm. And oh man, so smooth. Again, super smooth, super great. Feels really nice. I love 8mm for like multiple strands of something, like using multiple strands at the same time. I love 8mm for that. So I needed an 8 and oh, so gorgeous. If you're a Sagittarius, I hope you got this hook. My goodness, yes. Okay. I'm a new channel. You don't know this about me yet, but if you're a friend of mine, you know I'm obsessed with Christmas. I love Christmas, and I have a lot of Christmas ideas for this channel. Oh, my stars. When I found out they made a Christmas hook, I had to have it. It's literally tinsel inside a hook. If that is not Christmas spirit, I don't know what is. That's what they should have named it, Christmas spirit. I am renaming this hook Tinsel, the Christmas spirit hook. Ah, so beautiful. There's more. Okay, this one is, I actually don't remember. Hold on. Oh yes, this is one of their galaxy hooks. This is Jupiter. Yeah, that says Jupiter to me. That's awesome. Look at that. That is so great. Oh, I love this. Can you see that? Look at that. Doesn't that actually look like... It looks like a planet with glitter. Oh, I love it. This one's an H or a 5. Oh, wow. They've even got like translucent parts. Look at that in the head. There's like translucent part. Beautiful. Wow. Just beautiful. I did not plan this, but it just so happens that the newest hook from Furls, at the time I'm recording this, is the Capricorn. And that's the last hook I'm opening. So that's pretty cool. So here we go. What? This is crazy. This is crazy. It reminds me of a jade geode. If that even exists, I don't even know. Okay, enough of that. So you can see. If you are a Capricorn, you are so lucky this is your hook. Look at that. I can see why people had to get a full set. So gorgeous. This is a 7mm or an L, and this is a size I like to use a lot. So I have a feeling this will be in a lot of pictures because I love a 7mm, and this is just stunning. I mean, even the little tip is beautiful. I mean, wow. They just keep getting prettier. Okay, so while we're at it, let's test the holder. Perfect. Perfect fit. It's really wide. I have a feeling it would fit an Odyssey. Yeah, there's a lot of room in there. I think it would fit an Odyssey easily. Let's try the clutch. It may not be made for these, I don't know. Again, I've never had one, so. Oh no, that fits nicely. Look. That's great. Wow. Awesome. So that worked out nicely. I got a clutch for 7 hooks and I ordered 7 hooks. So there they all are. How fun. So then you just, they just kind of fall inside. And then, can you close it up? There we go. So, all 7 hooks fit in here. Beautiful. And then when you want to use them, you just pull them out. That is so cool. Thank you for joining me today and my fun little Furls haul. Yay! I love Furls. I love them so much. They are a great ergonomic hook and they make a wonderful product. I have several and I plan on getting more. I collect Furls hooks. I do. There's only a few I don't have. At least the Streamline colors, I collect those. Those are stunning. Wood or resin, I do not mind. And I'm trying to collect the Odyssey colors too. I love Furls hooks. They're amazing. Their yarn is really great too. I can't use the wool, but I do use the Wander acrylic. Love it. And I'm really excited about this new clutch. That's really cool. I'm gonna try that out. I like this little individual hook thing. That's pretty cool. So like if you're working on a project and you just need one, I like that a lot. I'm loving the new packaging. I really, really love the new packaging. This is just gorgeous. I love that the packaging is just as gorgeous as the hook inside. I don't normally keep the boxes. I may have to keep the boxes. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, consider joining our lovely Zebra Spoonie family. I hope you had fun today, and remember, Spoonies can stitch it up too.